I hope you are doing good. So students, as this is an activity week is going on, so here I am with one very interesting puzzle which is trending a lot nowadays on social media. And the puzzle is boy, shoes and popcorn puzzle. So what is a puzzle? Now, this is a puzzle students. In this puzzle, I can see three different images. Like the first one is a pair of shoe and a boy and a popcorn cone. So what to find out in this puzzle? I can see this question mark means we have to find out the value of this. So students, in this kind of the puzzles, you have to calculate the value of different images. Like in this case, we have three different images which we have to calculate. The first one is popcorn cone, the second one is the value of boy, and the third one is the value of a shoe, only one shoe. Okay students? So the question is how to find out the value of these images. For that we use these three equations. Now the question must arise in your mind that what is equation? So students, if any unknown image or any unknown value equals to any number, then in mathematical term we can call it equation. Like in equation 1, 3 pair of shoes equals to number 30. In equation 2, 2 boys plus 1 pair of shoe is equals to 20. And in equation 3, 4 popcorn cones plus 1 boy is equals to number 30. So students, we use these three equations to find out the value of these three images. So students, to calculate the value of these images, we need to implement some mathematical concepts. And what are these concepts? I'll explain. So students, as I explained you that we have to find out the value of image. Okay. Now I have written the first equation and the 3 pair of shoe is equals to number 30. So we have to find out only the value of one shoe. So student, here how many shoe are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 shoe is equals to number 30. Student, any equation has divided into two parts. Here this is an equal to sign. It divides the equation in two parts. The first part is called left hand side part, and this part is called right hand side part. We have to find out the value of image, then we have to keep it alone. How? By transferring all the numbers from other side. Okay students, now as I can see, this shoe is along with number 6. So I have to transfer this number 6 to this side. Only then this shoe will be alone now. So for that we need to implement some mathematical concept. How? So student, when we transfer any number from one side to other side, then there will be a change of mathematical operator. If any number is in addition in one side, and when you move it towards the other side, then it become in negative sign minus. Okay, and vice versa, if any number is in minus and you move it to other side, then it will become plus. Again, any number is in multiply and when you move it to other side, then it become in divide, and vice versa, if the number is in divide and you move it to other side, then it become in multiply. Okay students, now here again 6 shoe is equals to 30. As I can see, there is no sign between these two. There is no sign between these two. So whenever there is no sign between two, then there is a sign of multiplication in mathematics. So here 6 is in multiply with shoe, and to find the value of shoe, I have to make it alone. So I have to transfer this 6 to the other side. And as I explained you, it is in multiply. When you move it to other side, it will be in divide. So 30 divided by 6, student, the answer is 5. So student, as I calculate the value of shoe, okay. Now this is the equation 2 and here is how many boys are there? 2. So 2 boy plus 1 pair of shoe is equals to number 20. And as I have calculated the value of 1 shoe and that is equals to 5. So what is the value of 2 shoe? What is the value of 2 shoe? 1 shoe value is 5. So 2 shoe value is 10. Yes or no? So I just put the value of the pair of shoe over here. Okay students, how many boys are there? 2. So 2 boy plus the value of pair of shoe is equals to 10 is equals to 20. As I explained you that whenever we have to calculate the value of image, we have to make it alone. Okay, by transferring the number to other side. Now, as I can see that this boy is along with number 10 and along with number 2. So, firstly, I have to transfer the number to other side like this. Okay. Now, here I can see the number 10 is in plus. So, when I transfer it to other side, it will be in minus according to that concept. Okay. So, here you can see 2 boy. I transfer it to the other side. This is 20 and this plus 10 is here minus 10. Got it everyone? Now, again 2 boy. 20 minus 10 is equals to 10. Okay. Now, this is 2 boy. I have to calculate the value of 1 boy. And as I explained you, when there is no sign between 2, then there is a sign of multiplication. Now this 2 is in multiplication. When you transfer this 2 to other side, then it will be in division, divide. So here you can see 10 and this 2 I transferred over here. It is in divide. 10 divided by 2, the answer is 5. So the value of 1 boy is 5. Now, the equation 3. In equation 3, as I can see that how many popcorn cones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 popcorn cones plus the value of 1 boy. I calculated also. The value of 1 boy is 5 is equals to 13. And as I explained you, then whenever you have to find out the value of image, you have to make it alone by transferring the number to other side. Now, this cone is along with 2 numbers. So, firstly, I have to transfer this 5 to other side and this 5 is in plus. And when it moves to other side, it will be in minus. So, what is left over here? Only 4 popcorn cone and is equals to 13 minus 5 because I transferred this over here. Okay, students. Now, copy down same. 4 popcorn cone is equals to 30 minus 5 is 8. And now, here, what is the sign between these two? There is no sign. So, there is a sign of multiplication. And when I transfer this 4 to other side, it will be in division. So, 8 divided by 4, the answer is 2. So, the value of 1 popcorn cone is 2. Now, what is the puzzle? The puzzle is that you have to find out the value of this. As I calculated the value of each image, so just place that value in this equation. The value of 1 shoe is 5. Then same sign operator plus the value of 1 boy is 5. Same operator multiply and the value of 1 popcorn cone is 2. So simply I place their values. Students, when 2 operator, I can see 2 operators over here. The one is plus, the other one is multiply. When these 2 operators come at the same time, then you have to multiply first according to BODMAS rule. Okay. So firstly I have to multiply. Copy down 5 same. Plus sign. 5 to the 10. The answer is 10. Now 10 plus 5 is 15. So the value of this expression is 15. Thank you very much, students. Keep practicing these kind of the puzzles. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.